Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates with career guidance as well as interview tips as well as Udemy courses in our channel with free coupon IDs. So if you're really interested in these topics, you can subscribe our channel because it gives us motivation. So in today's video, I will discuss about two job opportunities which have come from McKinsey and Company, and also one job opportunity has come from Ola. So in this video, both any graduate as well as BE Tech, ME Tech, all these candidates, I mean to say tech candidates, tech graduates as well as non-tech graduates can continue, because in this video both type of job content I have bring. So first job I want to show you in McKinsey and Company. It's a very relevant and good industry, very good company I must say. And the position name they are hiring for business presentation specialist trainee position, and your joining location will be Chennai. So as of now it will be a work from home, and in the visual graphics and media department you will be joining as a business presentation specialist there. So the qualification they are asking, that is you have university degree, freshers or experience in voice or non-voice based BPO roles such as market researcher, search engine optimizer, quality analyst, quality controllers, process executives, document specialist, executive team assistants and secretaries can also look for this. And you must have computer proficiency in MS Office Suite and Windows operating system knowledge, PC accessories, email, internet, web search, this type of equivalent products, ability to prioritize and schedule and meet deadlines, and you have to have superior typing skills, that is minimum 30 words per minute, that is 95% accuracy, ability to communicate fluently in all English business environment with a firm grasp of spelling and grammar, flexibility to work in shifts, weekends, on public holidays. So these are the main criteria. So who you will work with? You will work in Chennai as a member of visual graphics media team. There we will do the global support. So it's under the business presentation specialist, a central one role. So here they have main offices in Bangalore, Chennai, Trivandrum, more than 1400 colleagues working in various teams on 24/7 basis, supporting more than 20,000 firm members across the globe. So it is the history about them. If you have no idea, you can go through. I will give this link in my description box. And how you can apply, let me show you. Just you have to click on the apply now. The last date is not given, so as soon as you are seeing this notification you have to click on apply now, because no fee is required for this. So you can apply now, any graduate can apply. As I have mentioned, you must have MS Office knowledge and the typing speed is 30 word per minute. So here you can start your application. Just you can upload your resume there, then you can continue with that thing, or if you have account then you can directly log in with your email address and password. So this is the process for the any graduates jobs in McKinsey and Company. So now I will showcase you the BE Tech job in Ola. So let's start this video now for the BE Tech. So this career opportunity has come from Ola, and the career opportunity name is software development engineer position 1. So your key responsibility will be you have to participate in full development in the life cycle, as well as you have to work on optimization and performance improvement activities, the process adherence for tech and organization policies, execution ability, should be able to prepare technical documentations which include data flow diagram, sequence diagram, all those things. And the skills they are asking, the eligibility criteria is you have to have strong coding knowledge in data structure and algorithm. So if you have really good knowledge in data structure and algorithm, you can continue or you can do the apply. Build and develop qualified code, good understanding and hands-on, any relevant framework knowledge, a solid foundation in principle of computer science is desired, object-oriented programming, concurrency and fundamentals of computer science, strong team player with open mindset to learn new technology, good problem solving skills required, good understanding of using SQL, non-SQL databases, ability to work effectively, work under pressure, knowledge of common software engineering and development life cycle, and work in agile mode and data driven development process. So all these things required in Ola. The salary is not given, but According to our prior experience from the students, Ola is giving quite good salary, minimum 4 to 4.5 LPA as of their experience. So I'm just sharing the news with you guys. So just click on, if you're really interested, click on apply button. I will also share this link with you. So just you have to register, just click on create account, otherwise you can log in there, and you have to create an account using your email address, password, first name, last name, your country, and then you have to create your account. After logging in, you will be able to apply. So these are the 2 open positions for today I have discussed for all the candidates. So for Ola, the degree required is BE, BTech, MCA, ME, MTech, and for the business presentation position in McKinsey, any graduate can apply. So I think it's helped you, and if you really like the content, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, because it gives us motivation. And thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. And also I mentioned must, in our channels there are recent job updates regarding Tech Mahindra and Infosys. Bulk hiring is going on in these 2 companies. You can check those videos there. I will give the link in description box also. So thanks for watching this video, and share your doubts in our comment section. Subscribe us.